Hello everyone, my name is SYED MD TAKHA and I am from Hyderabad. I am currently pursuing my engineering in the field of computer science degree, and I haven't done with the graduation. I still have 1 month left. So I joined Jspiders in the month of February, and I am here for about 4 months here. And during this period I learned SQL, web technologies and Java with different trainers. For SQL I have Raven sir, and they teach us SQL in depth very well and practice a lot. If I talk about Java, we had 3 trainers and each was designated to other roles. For example, programming was dedicated to Pawan sir, and the theory part was done by Manjunath sir, and other part was done by Kaushik sir. So next we have requirements here. So we have to go for the, if we are qualified with for the requirement, we can just go to HRs and talk about the requirements and apply for that. After that, we have grooming sessions for interviews also. So whenever if we applied for the interview, before the interview we have grooming session, mock interviews, and they prepare as well for the interviews.